guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and today I wanted to go through some YouTubers I have discovered over the year. I think might have a little bit of overlap here. I did another one, I'm pretty sure like exactly a year ago, maybe not exactly, but I will link that video down below. I think I might have one or two overlap in this one. But it just felt literally like yesterday that I made this video, so I had to go back and look. And I put them in categories, so let me get my list. Okay, so I wanted to start with fitness. With COVID and the gyms and all that, like our gym is open, but I'm honestly a little scared to go to the gym. I don't know why. Also, maybe it's just I don't want to go to the gym. But I've been finding some free YouTube fitness channels that have like legit changed my life. I have been working out since I was in like second grade. So I need something really motivating to get me kind of back on track when I'm not really feeling it. And so the first one I want to mention is one that came from a beauty YouTuber that I love, which is, well, she's not Jam Beauty anymore. She's Jessica Braun, but the fitness page is called MK Fit. You guys, I laugh so hard and I have a blast. It's like HIIT style workouts, but it's dance and toning. It is so freaking fun. You might suck at dance, but she has this way of just lighting up a room. She's hilarious and she just makes the time go by really quickly. She's got a lot of range of times as well. Like, so there's one that might be like 3 to 5 minutes. There's quite a few that are around the 20 to 30 minute mark, and then there's a few that are maybe 45 minutes. So there are so many things to choose from, and you guys, she's just so freaking funny. Oh, this morning I did one and I just laughed so hard. It was great. Super, super fun. Yoga with Adriene. She's actually based in Austin, I believe still. And she's also very funny and very relaxed, very laid back. Again, wide range of like times and kinds of yoga. Like if you really just want to relax and stretch, there are those kinds. If you really want to work your, I don't know, lower body, she has that. And she has tons of videos, like tons and tons and tons. She'll even do challenges. Like MK Fit, I think, is a newer channel, so she doesn't have as many videos. But Yoga with Adriene is just like literally whatever you are into or whatever you need that day, she has it. And she's just a really good teacher as well. And then my last fitness one is called Fitness Blender. Now, they do mostly toning and like some HIIT cardio things. But I like it because there's like a little timer, so you know how many more seconds you have to feel the burn. They explain every exercise really, really well. And it's slow. Like, it's not like if you're someone who doesn't know how to do choreography, you're not gonna suck at this. Like, it's a very basic workout. Even if you don't have weights or you don't have bands, there's just something for everyone. Again, wide range of times. Anything from like 5 minutes to a full hour. There's cardio, there's weights, there's bands, there's stretching. I like when there's a lot of variety, and they're good at teaching and they explain things really, really well. They don't rush through, and they have a crap ton of videos, like so many backlog videos. You could do one every day for the year and probably not get through them all from what I've seen. Okay. The next category is the financial category, planning, things like that. Now, there's a lot out there, but these are the two that I watch the most often. And the first one is Minority Mindset. These are quick videos, they're informative, and it's called the Minority Mindset because it's not how most people live. So it's really gonna challenge your way of thinking, and it really has helpful tips for every day, whether you want to invest in like buying a home or just like what is the market looking like, what is the presidential race doing to the economy, how to invest your money. It's just really wide range. And then the Financial Diet, which is run by, I mean, I guess everybody's younger than me now on YouTube, but again, it's just a very different outlook on money than what we're used to. Like I took financial peace class, and I do use that, I would say 75% of that teaching in my life daily. But the financial diet actually pushes against some of those teachings in financial peace. And so it's just, it's a challenge. It's a challenge for your mind and for what you've been taught every single day, backed with facts, which I like that. I don't just want someone's opinion. I want to know why that's your opinion. And so they have a lot of different kind of people on this channel with a lot of different knowledge bases. And again, they back that up with facts and experience. And so I really love that because it challenges my my financial thought process from when I was younger, right? So learning something new every day. What does the world look like right now? How is our money being spent? How can we invest, etc. Wide range of topics there. Beauty and lifestyle. Smoky Glow, I've been obsessed with recently. I started watching her last year, maybe the year before. And you know, she does beauty stuff, but she also does commentary. And again, facts. We align a lot with our thought process and our logic, so it's nice to find someone who kind of feels the same way. But there are some things that she challenges me on, and it's not necessarily my thought process, but she mixes beauty with kind of everyday cultural political things, and I find that really interesting. And so really, like, no matter what video I'm watching of hers, it's entertaining. Number one, she's hilarious. She is genuine, and you're getting her truth. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's literally her opinion that you're getting. She does not BS you at all. And I really appreciate that. And when she makes a mistake, she comes out and she apologizes. And I don't know. I just really love the transparency there. I've already mentioned her, but Jessica Braun, who was Jam Beauty 89, I believe. I like that she mixes beauty with lifestyle, which is kind of where my channel is going. So I really like to watch channels like that it's not just buy this eyeshadow palette, but why you maybe shouldn't buy this eyeshadow palette, or what are the dupes, or what's my day like today, or why am I not gonna buy this, or here's a recipe, or here's a Trader Joe's haul. I don't know. I just like the variety, and I think that's kind of a theme throughout all the YouTubers I'm watching: transparency, honesty, and variety. And then my last beauty person, which I think is one of my overlap, is Lauren May Beauty. And she is, again, a very balanced outlook to beauty, where it's not just anti-haul, 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 but like, let me really look at my money right now, and what is my money gonna do the best on this month? I don't know if that makes any sense, but like, do I need to buy beauty products this month? Okay, what range? I don't know. She's really funny too, but again, I love her honesty, her transparency, her outlook on purchasing beauty stuff. And she does a little bit of like, talking through things, but she'll do like what's coming out new, or what she bought in 2015 and does she still like it. She just has really interesting videos that I've never seen on any other channel related to beauty. So she is strictly a beauty channel, but she has videos that no other channel does related to beauty, and it kind of just gets my mind thinking about new kinds of things. So again, I appreciate that. Again, that's another theme that goes through all these, is challenging my brain to think differently. Okay, home design and DIY. So again, some of these might be overlap, but Rachel Metz, Living to DIY. So she is someone she works, like, she builds actual things, construction. She does design, but she keeps that person's actual love, style, and preference in mind, right? She doesn't make something just to make something. She doesn't do it just because it's in style. And she has some videos that are like how to build a shelf, right? I might not need that right now, but at some point I might really want to learn how to do that. Tool recommendations, things step by step, and designing like full rooms, anyway, I love her personality. She's beautiful. I love her style. I love her dog. And she's just very relaxing to watch. Nick Lewis is a new one that I found on just home design. He's very simplistic in his explanation. He has his own style, but he can appreciate other things. He can explain other styles. So he does like shopping, teaching, and I don't think he does any DIYs, and he is a pretty new channel, but he's really exploded, and I found him actually just like a month ago. And then Laura, I do not know how to say her last name, but her and her husband are remodeling themselves a whole entire Victorian home in Europe. And it is super cool to see the process. It's super cool to see them do it on their own and how to do it affordably, and like the mistakes they make and how they go back and fix it. And they're just really sweet together. The videos are just beautifully made. The music is beautiful. And I just really enjoy having those videos on. Her style is not 100% my style, but it's just lovely to see. It's educational and sweet. And she also does like decorating videos and clothing videos. Okay. Skincare. Gothmista. Very calming, very informative, very educational. Ingredients, experience, just really lovely channel. You can just search pretty much anything and then Gothmista, and it's like, it is there. Kenna, she is someone who's actually, like, I believe she's a dermatologist, or I'll put that down, but very knowledgeable, like literally went to school for this stuff. So very much into ingredients, comparing products, comparing brands, trying them out with experience. She's not the most entertaining, but she's super educational. So if you are wanting like an ingredient situation, she's definitely one to look for. And then lastly, Hiram, which everybody knows Hiram. He's a young guy, lives in Hawaii. He has exploded. Millions of followers, hilarious. He does reaction videos, which are some of my favorite. And he aligns with like my ingredient love. And he does, so he'll explain ingredients for new products, old products, compare. He does best of, and he's just really freaking hilarious. So he deserves all the followers he has. So if you don't know him, you definitely should look him up. Well, my battery died, but we are back. So sorry if the lighting is different. We are going to continue with our last category, which is thrifting or shopping. And I have two for you that kind of branch out into four. I don't know. So the first one is the Recycled Life, and they are two best friends that are two totally different styles, and they both do buying and selling for a living. And so they take you on their treks into different cities and different thrift stores and antique stores and estate sales, and it's so fun. And then they each have their own YouTube channel as well. One is the Vintage Bombshell, and the other one is Laura Caldwell. And so I'll link all of those below. And then finally, I have Thrifters Anonymous. These two ladies are freaking hilarious. They are also best friends, but they're best friends from high school, and they are my age. And Edwina gives me, like, sometimes I've cried real tears. She's so freaking hilarious. Like, there's this an example where she says that the dress was so tight it was hurting her feelings, but it just shows them going into Savers and Goodwill and different thrift stores and even just like Home Goods and shopping and their thoughts on everything, and then it shows them trying them on. They also have a it's a series where they make over just randos, and it's called This Is Who I Am, and it's so fun. But they take them to the thrift store, so they're not like, they're getting a whole wardrobe for like a couple $100. So super cool. Just my mindset in general. Anyway, so those are all my favorite YouTubers, and you know, who I've really discovered in 2020, or who I've watched the most in 2020, who are the most educational, the most fun. Let me know down below who your favorite YouTubers are, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.